Hi, my name is Greg Turnquist, and this is Learning Spring Boot by Pack Publishing. In this series of videos, we're going to build a social media application with Spring Boot and take it to production. A little bit about myself. I'm a member of the Spring team at Pivotal, and I've made many contributions to Spring Boot along with other Spring projects. I'm the author of Learning Spring Boot, also by Pack Publishing. I've spoken at several conferences about Spring Boot technology, and I also started the Nashville Java Users Group back in 2010. In my previous job, I was the lead developer for over 10 years on a mission-critical 24/7 operations app. At any time, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter at GregTurn or visit my site, greglturnquist.com. With Spring Boot, we will build a web application from scratch that lets users upload their favorite pictures. We'll use Spring Boot's various development tools and then hook in sophisticated components like messaging and security. And then we're going to bundle it up for production with metrics and custom commands. We'll use start.spring.io to build an empty Spring Boot project with everything that we need in mere minutes. We'll build a backend with Spring MVC to handle uploading pictures and then using Spring Data JPA to store the metadata. We'll build a front-end web page using Timeleaf to both display thumbnails of the uploaded pictures and to allow the users to upload even more pictures. We'll add Spring Boot's production-based module Actuator to gather metrics and help manage the application. We'll also introduce Spring Boot's DevTools component to enhance the developer's experience with less downtime. And then we'll plug in the Remote Shell tool to write some custom commands. We'll improve the experience across multiple users by using WebSocket messaging. And then finally, we're going to protect our entire social media platform with Spring Security and its various authentication and authorization mechanisms. Now, the goal of this series is to take you from being a fledgling Spring developer, maybe a little unfamiliar with Spring Boot, and turn you into an experienced one, ready to start coding real-world apps on day one. As a prerequisite, you should have some experience with Java development. Now, familiarity with any of the major Java IDEs is definitely helpful. As we build our production-grade social media platform, we'll find out how much Spring Boot lets us focus on adding customer-facing features and get out of the business of dealing with low-level infrastructure and configuration. So let's begin this journey together.